What's going on, YouTube, Facebook? This is Michael, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Out here on this. Today is October 28th. It is 7:55 a.m. So I'm out here getting ready to do these seats and carpet only in this car. I just got done spraying my cleaning agent on it. I should have showed you guys how it looked before, but it does have some mold buildup on certain areas because of the sunroof was left open from my understanding. Let me see if I see any spots. Let's see. That's a little spot right there. So it was kind of all over this seat, a little bit on the driver's seat, on the floor. But what I'm doing right now is letting it sit and let it kill that mold, and then I'm going to start extracting. So that's all I'm doing is the seats and carpet, and that's pretty much it. This is the first job of the day. I've been out since I got here about 7:30. It was pretty cold this morning. It's still cold, so definitely did not dress for this type of weather. I might have to go back home and grab me something. Definitely don't got the right shoes on. But I think next year is when it comes to the cars. That's the only thing I'm gonna be doing in cars. It's just seats and carpet. I'm not gonna be doing full details. I'm not gonna be washing cars at all. So I think next year is just gonna be just seats and carpet. I may not even really advertise for it too much. I have a lot of people just be asking about it. Do I do seats and cars? Do I do the carpet? So next year, that's the only thing I'm gonna do. Next year and however long I be doing my business. I'm not gonna be doing full details, not gonna be doing door jams, cup holders and cleaning windows and dashes. I'm not gonna be doing none of that anymore. Just seats and carpet, $80 to $100, depending on the condition, be done in and out. So, that's pretty much it. Show you guys how the outcome goes. All right, you guys. I always spilling on water right at the last minute. So I was cleaning up this basement area. Second job of the day. It is October 28th, 12 o'clock. So I'm pretty much done with it now, but I didn't give you guys the before of how I look, but it had a lot of dog urine and feces on the floor, but everything rinsing away pretty good. So, working my way out the door. So, got the van up there. I got the pressure washer hooked up to the host. Hooked up to my wine in the inside, and I'm just using the machine for the vacuum. So, gonna finish up this. Show you guys the next job. I got one more. I got a furniture cleaning job, and then I'll be done for the day. I'm expecting to be done hopefully by 3 o'clock for the day. What's up, YouTube, Facebook? It's Mike here with Trushine Cleaner. I'm at my third job of the day. Today is Saturday, 2/21. It's the 28th. Got my van there. I got my solution hose hooked up. I got one cord coming from my generator. Power here, the other cord is going upstairs. As you can see, I'm using the van for the water, and I'm using this for the vacuum. So, I'll take you guys in, show you guys what I'm doing. It actually took pretty long to set up because I didn't know how I was going to do it. I did not want to bring that machine up those steps, so I decided to do it like this. So I'm actually going to be doing this couch. I've already pre-sprayed and vacuumed everything. I'm going to be doing these 4 chairs. They don't look bad at all, do they? So should let customer just want them done. So it's one that had some spots on it. This one here does have those spots, but other than that, everything's good. I'm going to do this carpet. I'm gonna do the carpet last. Not moving any furniture, just doing the carpet. The hallway carpet, bedroom carpet, and that's pretty much it in here. And I'm gonna touch up this headboard area. So, not sure if you guys can see, but it's a lot of hair oil, grease and oil from the head. So I told her I can touch that up for her. And other than that, everything's good. I told her it may take me about roughly about 2 hours to really get everything done. The condition of everything is actually pretty good, so I'm pretty sure everything will come out great. And she actually just went to the store, so I told her how long it'll take, so she said she'll be back shortly. So I'll show you guys some of the outcome. Thanks for watching.